With a bit garlic.
Let's try it. Momshies, Mommy Rafi here, and welcome to the Crisis. And today here in Lebanon, it's Saturday, sunny day, but it's so cold. It's 6 degrees. Ayan, ayaw mag-start nung sasakyan namin. And we are going to
Funny bunny.
Funny bunny. Funny bunny or jumps? Well, Papa, you're going to jump.
Yeah.
Yan, magde-date kami ni Nora.
I forgot the money.
Papa will give you. Yeah, we're going for a quick exercise ni Nora sa alay. Sama kayo sa amin ulit. Kami kila mga dad. Si Nora. Nangangalkal na naman, oh. Malamig yung araw na to, so tulungan muna natin si Mama Dad maglinis-linis dito kasi maraming maalikabok. Kanyang mini store. Ayan. So, punas-punasan lang natin yung mga ibabaw kasi yung matatanan nyo nagkaroon ng talagang windy season dito. Ayan. So, sa dami ng mga item, kailangan talaga linisin, pumapasok kasi nakabukas yung pintuan. But, yun lang. Kailangan natin Yes, baby. Wow, you are the queen. Where's your mama?
Mom, I want to buy.
Not that one. Biskulata. Tell Teta. You will take this one. How much, Teta? Ask Teta how much is this. Okay? Ayan. Kahit sinasabi ng lola niya na kumuha lang siya ng gusto niya, we make sure na syempre binabayaran namin yung mga kinukuha niya dito. Ayaw namin ito masanay. Kasi diba, pagka gumagawa siya ng assignment, may price siya sa papa niya na pera.
It's Hamsin.
50. Okay. Okay, you will give 50 later, okay? Okay, yan lang. Maglilinis muna kami. Yes, we need to, baby, because that is for Teta's store.
Teta have a lot of candy.
Hey, Mama, it's...
What the hell?
يلا خليني انا اعمل جالي قشرة. جبنة مشاوي وفتوش وبطاطا.
Mama, fina su jahis? Fina su jahis? Yes, coming.
بس يجي بابا.
Yun sinasabi. Naiintindihan ko sila. Pero pag ako nag-Arabic, hindi nila naintindihan. So, I need to tell it in English. Tinatry ko naman, mga moms. Tinatry ko pa rin naman, mga moms. Siguro yung pagsasalita ko, slang kasi. Siguro sa kanila, slang. Mga alikabok. Hindi daw na nakikita. Sabi niya okay lang daw. Sabi ko madumi. Hindi daw na nakikita. Malabo na rin kasi ang mata ng mama. So, ayan. Ito. alikabok. Sobrang alikabok. Ako, wala naman. Bibili ng mga alikabukan. Si mama kasi dito tayo, mga moms. Si mama kasi nagbabayad siya ng tao para maglinis dito sa shop. Kasi nga, maraming item. Pero I don't know, this week, walang nag-linis. Pero okay lang naman kung nagawa sa bahay ngayon. Libre mo. Pera natin. Naka-duty na yung cashier natin. Nana, how much? How much? How much do you have now? Nana, no, don't do that. Yeah. Pangarap niya yan. Magpipindot. Gusto niya yan. Nagpipipindot siya. Konti na yung mga pupunasan natin. Ayan. Lapit ako matapos. Nagulat ako dito, oh. Meron silang fresh meat. But they are eating it like this. Like sushi.
We are
It's
dragons.
fresh.
What you call this? Herbivorous, carnivorous, what?
Carnivorous.
Carnivorous, you see?
It, just like that? Just meat?
But it should be with arak.
With?
So to kill all the bacteria.
And then you want me to give this one without arak?
No, arak or onions.
Let's see, Baba.
Yeah.
This one, they combine it with onion. I see.
You need 1 piece of bread.
With bread?
Or no, I will give it for garlic with you.
Small,
Yes, small one. With the bit garlic.
Let's try it. Should I swallow it right away?
Yeah. Please.
Oh my god. The garlic.
It's hard.
Yeah. Wow. It's like maybe without the garlic.
Taste it without the garlic.
No. Enough. No. With the garlic, it's
Just this one. Open this one. This pepper for it.
huh?
It's not pepper. It's like a dried mint and something. More pepper, huh?
Yeah.
This is the spices for it.
Yeah, it tastes better.
Yeah.
It's good. I thought it's not good, but it is good. With the garlic, it's so strong. It doesn't pair with the garlic, but with that spices, it's good.
شوفي.
We're now in Honduras.
Burger King.
Labas muna kami dahil si Papa merong pang work, and we just walk from Dad's place to here. Hindi kami sumabay kay Firas kasi sabi ko gusto ko maglakad-lakad. Madlapit lang naman, so naglakad kami. Pero sobrang lamig. It's wrong. Ito lang. Naka-sweatshirt na. Lumabas kami para maglaro siya, pero ang lamig. Kaya pasok ulit kami dito sa
Mom, do you want this?
So, ito yung reason kung bakit gusto niya pumupunta dito sa Burger King. Ito yung reason kung bakit gusto niya pumupunta sa Burger King.
Mom, come.
Yalla, go!
No.
Go! No, our...
And you.
No, but I can't. Our bag. No one will take care of our bag. Yellow. Go.
Here.
Yan. Yan ang dahilan kung bakit gustong-gusto niya pumupunta dito sa Burger King. Doon naman sa large one. Sa malaki. Dito. Kabila, sa green. Sa green. Yala. Yala, come. Dito tayo, baby. Because hindi ko makita yung gamit natin eh. Yay! Come on. 1, 2, 3. Ah, wala. Walang electricity, baby eh. Ayan, just right after nitong playdate namin ni Nora, umuwi na rin kagad kami dahil si Papa merong lakad. Every night na sila pumupunta dun sa kanilang kandidato. So, since nalalapit na rin ang election dito, mas limited na yung time na kasama namin sa video si Papa Firas. So, see you all next on our next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye!